Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best kitchen kit is probably one of the most essential investments you can make for your home, transforming everyday cooking into a delightful experience. Imagine effortlessly chopping vegetables, perfectly searing meats, and baking with precision, all thanks to the right tools. This isn't just about convenience, it's about elevating your culinary skills and enjoying the process of creating delicious meals for yourself and your loved ones. A well-equipped kitchen can inspire creativity, reduce cooking time, and ultimately lead to healthier, more enjoyable eating habits, making it a cornerstone of a happy and efficient household. Number 5. Royal Craftwood Bamboo Cutting Board Set. Introducing the Royal Craftwood Bamboo Cutting Board Set, designed for all your kitchen prep and serving needs. This set offers durability and natural beauty for your culinary adventures. This versatile set includes 3 convenient sizes, perfect for everything from chopping vegetables to serving a beautiful charcuterie spread. They are crafted from 100% natural bamboo, ensuring a food-safe and long-lasting surface. Featuring built-in side handles, these boards make transferring food from your counter to the table a breeze. They function beautifully as chopping blocks, serving trays, or cheese platters. Our cutting boards are designed with a knife-friendly surface that won't dull your blades. The smooth bamboo finish is resistant to scratches, stains, and bacteria, ensuring a hygienic and pristine workspace. Keep your counters clean with deep juice grooves that catch liquids from meats and fruits. This feature helps maintain an organized and tidy workspace, even during the busiest meal preparations. Cleanup is simple, just hand wash with mild soap and water. The sealed surface resists stains and odors, designed for years of reliable use and easy care. Please note, they are not dishwasher safe. Looking for a practical and stylish gift? This bamboo cutting board set is an ideal choice for housewarmings, new homes, or holidays. It's a gift that will be cherished and used daily. What we like? This set offers versatility with 3 different sizes, perfect for various tasks from chopping to serving. Its natural bamboo construction is both durable and food safe. If you enjoy entertaining with charcuterie boards or need a reliable surface for meal prep, this is an excellent choice. The integrated handles make it easy to move from kitchen to table, ideal for those who value both function and style. What people say? The product is very easy to use and clean. The design is sleek and modern, it looks great on my countertop. It has multiple functions that make cooking much faster and more efficient. Number 4. Love Moment Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit, Pink. This electric vacuum sealer is designed to work with both wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars, ensuring you have the right fit for all your food storage needs. Our kit includes everything you need: the electric sealer, converters for both jar types, and multiple lids. It's your all-in-one solution for preserving food. Using it is simple. Just place it on the jar, press the button, and in about 40 seconds, it removes the air, creating a perfect seal. It works with a simple press. Forget manual pumps and messy setups. This electric sealer does the work for you with just one button press, freeing up your hands and your counter space. Don't let its size fool you. This compact sealer is perfect for home use and portable enough to take on picnics or trips, ensuring fresh food wherever you go. By removing air from your mason jars, it significantly extends the shelf life of your stored food, reducing waste and saving you money. What we like? Tired of manual pumps and messy hoses? This electric vacuum sealer is designed to free your hands and simplify food preservation. It works with both wide and regular mouth mason jars, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking to extend the shelf life of your pantry staples, reduce food waste, or simply want a quick and effortless way to vacuum seal your jars, this gadget is a must-have for your kitchen. What people say? The product is very easy to use and clean. It is a great addition to my kitchen, and I love the design. The quality of the materials used is excellent. Number 3. KALUNS 35-piece kitchen utensil set. Discover the complete kitchen utensil set designed for a perfect cooking experience. Made with a blend of nylon and stainless steel, these tools ensure no scratching or sticking on your cookware. This comprehensive set includes a soup ladle, various spoons and turners, a whisk, grater, spatula, tongs, ice cream scooper, measuring cups and spoons, dough scrapers, and hanging hooks. Worry no more about melting or rusty utensils. These high-quality tools are polished to prevent rust, dishwasher safe, lightweight, and non-stick. They are heat resistant up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Get everything you need for all your food preparations without breaking the bank. This 35-piece set is designed to assist with whisking, stirring, baking, grilling, frying, and serving. Presented in a classy gift box, this set makes an ideal present for housewarmings, weddings, holidays, or anyone setting up a new kitchen. It's a must-have for apartments and dorm rooms. What we like. This is the ultimate starter kit for any kitchen, offering a staggering 35 pieces to cover every culinary need. Made from a durable blend of nylon, stainless steel, and silicone, these tools are non-stick and heat-resistant. If you're setting up a new kitchen, upgrading your existing tools, or looking for a complete set that won't break the bank, this comprehensive collection is perfect for you. What people say. The product is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. The set includes a variety of essential kitchen tools, such as a whisk, spatula, and tongs, making it a comprehensive solution for everyday cooking needs. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, even during extended use, and the tools are well balanced for precise control. Number 2. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Set. Introducing a fun and safe way for your toddler to explore the kitchen. This set is designed for real cooking experiences, just like the grown-ups. This comprehensive set includes a variety of tools like wooden and stainless steel knives, cutting boards, peelers, and cutters. It has everything your child needs to get creative. Crafted from high-quality wood, stainless steel, and BPA-free polypropylene, these tools are non-toxic and safe for your little one. They are built to last and designed with safety in mind. The tools are lightweight and feature cute designs, like crocodile patterns on the wooden knife, to capture your child's interest. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip. This set encourages your child's creativity and helps them develop essential hands-on skills. It's a wonderful way for them to learn and imitate adult behaviors in a safe environment. Cooking together is a fantastic way to strengthen parent-child bonds. Let your child prepare ingredients and create their own culinary masterpieces for the family to enjoy. What we like. Ignite your child's culinary curiosity with this Montessori-inspired kitchen toy set. It includes safe, kid-friendly knives and cutting boards made from wood and food-grade polypropylene. If you're looking for a way to safely involve your little ones in the kitchen, foster their creativity, and improve their fine motor skills, this set is an ideal choice for interactive playtime. What people say. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. Number 1. Astercook 15-piece German stainless steel knife set. Introducing the all-in-one knife set designed to elevate your culinary experience. This comprehensive collection has everything you need for any kitchen task. Enjoy the convenience of a dishwasher-safe design. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier, ensuring your tools are always ready for use. Crafted from premium German stainless steel with a special coating, these blades are built to last. Experience exceptional sharpness and durability that resists rust and sticking. Designed for comfort, the ergonomic handles provide a secure and pleasant grip. Plus, the integrated sharpener in the block keeps your blades perfectly honed with ease. We stand by the exceptional quality of our knives. Each set comes with a lifetime warranty, making it a reliable and lasting addition to your kitchen. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This exquisite knife set is ideal for any occasion, from holidays to housewarmings, bringing joy and utility to loved ones. What we like. Experience professional-grade sharpness and convenience with this 15-piece knife set. Featuring German stainless steel blades and an innovative built-in sharpener in the block, maintaining razor-sharp edges is effortless. If you're a home chef who values precision, comfort, and the ease of having your knives always ready to go, this set is designed for you. It's also a perfect gift for anyone who appreciates quality kitchen tools. What people say. The product is easy to use and clean. It has a compact design that fits well in small kitchens. The blades are sharp and cut through vegetables quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.